So UWANT recently sent me out their Y100 Steam, and today we're gonna do a complete test on this thing. We're gonna be cleaning mustard, ketchup, some coffee. We're even gonna be using the steam mode to clean some nice white shoes. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and cut straight to that unboxing. So here's everything that you guys are gonna get inside of the box. Starting over there on the right, we have our user guide. We get a cleaning solution, and you guys could take the cap off and pour some of it straight in the machine, or you guys could just spray it on the carpet. I'm personally probably gonna be doing both today. Now, like I was saying, this is a steam cleaner and also a carpet cleaner all in one. So this is going to be the attachment for the steam wand. We're gonna twist that on, and so now we can just kind of get grout and stuff with our steam cleaner. Now, if you guys want something with a brush while doing steam, you guys could use this attachment and you get bristle brushes and all of the steam coming through. Here is the main brush attachment. We have bristle brushes right here, and this is fully removable for easy cleaning. The spray does come out the top, which is a little different than some of the other designs out there. And then this can actually be flipped over, and then you have these like silicone or rubber brushes instead. So a little different than the bristle brush design, and I really like that as well. Then we have this attachment for things like glass and anything that's more delicate, even furniture. This is just Velcroed on, so you guys could take it off and easily clean it. And this would just go right here. It's an exact replacement basically, just with a different type of design. So here is the actual unit. And one of my favorite things about this is the 2-in-1 tank design. So we have dirty water over here, and then we have the clean water over here. So we could pop this open and you could see the inside, and it keeps it all separated so there's no cross contamination, and it's easy to remove from the machine to either fill up or empty. It just snaps right back on place. Then we also get 3 main modes on here. So that would be steam, then we have hot water, then the normal cold water, and then off. They do recommend filling this up with just normal room temperature water. And according to this bottle, it looks like we could add some of this straight into the machine. So real fast, I did want to mention that the main cleaning tube here is actually 5 feet and a quarter long. So that's going to give you a long range. And then we also have the self cleaner right here. So you'll just put that on and then pull the trigger while it's on, and it will clean everything out of the main hose. We get a super long power cord. I believe it's about 15 feet long. So that's going to give you about 20 feet of total distance from an outlet to clean up your mess. So let's go ahead and fill up the clean water tank here. We're going to put about a cap amount worth of solution in. Nothing too much. And now we're going to use just normal water, not hot. And we're gonna fill it up to that max line right there. So just like that, we got the clean water tank all ready to go. Let's get started with the test. And just keep in mind that this machine takes about 15 to 30 seconds to fully heat up for the hot water or steam. So for step number 1, we're gonna spray the stains with the cleaning solution that they provided, even though we have a little bit in the tank already. And we're gonna let this sit for about 3 minutes before we do anything to it. All right, so the mustard stain's a really difficult one to get out, but so far about 90% of it's already removed. So it's doing a really good job, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it one more spray. Then I'll be back with you guys in just about 2 minutes, and then we'll give this another wash and see if we could get all of it out. So that seemed to definitely help. The mustard's almost all the way gone. I'll show you guys a close-up of everything when we're done. Let's go ahead and move over to ketchup here and see how it goes. So believe it or not, but the ketchup was actually easier to clean than the mustard. So let's go ahead and try our last stain on this test. So there you guys have it. We just cleaned all 3 of those stains up, and the carpet definitely looks way better. I'm gonna go ahead and let this carpet dry for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna show you a close-up of all the old stains. All right, so let's take a look at that after and it's looking really clean right now. You could sort of see the highlight of where the stains were, but it looks like 95% better right now. The coffee stain over here is completely invisible, and I'm curious if we let this dry for about a day, if it would look even better. So for our next test, we're gonna clean up some of this red syrup, but we're gonna compare the cold water cleaning to the hot water cleaning, and we're gonna see which one cleans up the syrup quicker. So we're gonna do the cold water on this one first, and of course, make sure that you guys give this a spray, and we're all set. All right, so as you guys could see, it did a great job, and that was just on the cold water mode, so pretty impressive. But I will say, whenever we move over to that hot water, I bet it's gonna be able to clean this up much quicker. So let's go ahead and give this a spray. And of course, remember that it does take about 15 to 30 seconds for that hot water to heat up. And just like I expected, it did clean the side much quicker, but most importantly, it actually cleaned up the carpet slightly better. So if you guys are on a surface that can use the hot water, I would definitely suggest using it because it makes your work go by better and it may give you better results. So for this test, we're gonna go ahead and clean up these old Air Forces. Not too sure how this is gonna work, but we're just gonna use the steam mode. So here is the before, and let's get to work and see what we could do. All right, so here is the after, and I am blown away at how much cleaner these shoes are just with a little bit of steam and a rag. So if you guys are looking into cleaning shoes with this thing, this is also a great option for this carpet cleaner, and I love that you can use this on so many different items around the house. Now that we have all of the stains cleaned up, let's go ahead and empty it out and see just how dirty the dirty water tank actually is. So just keep in mind, this is the dirty water tank after cleaning those shoes and the entire carpet. A lot of mustard, ketchup, coffee, and just dirt and grime. And you guys should be able to see just from that how much this was able to extract out of that carpet during our cleaning test. So now what I would recommend doing is cleaning this out with soap and water, and then of course letting it dry with the lid open so you don't get any mold inside of here. So overall today, I've been really impressed with the UWANT Y100 Steam. I've tested a whole bunch of carpet cleaners before, and I've seen very few that actually provide steam and normal cold water cleaning. The machine's also really small. It's the same size as most carpet cleaners, if not smaller, and it's just super simple to use. What I really like about this is the fact that you guys could use this for carpet, furniture, shoes, pans, even bathroom grout. This is a super universal product, and I could see this being useful for basically anyone. So I'm definitely really impressed with the performance of this product. And anyways, that's gonna be it for today's review and demo.